moving in. What a big room. Maeve, I want the top bunk. You don't mind, do you? Yes, I do mind. The second floor is mine. It's better not to argue with Maeve. The first floor is fine, too. This is where Polly will go. But here's the problem. There's another sister. Here you girls are. I'm here. Where will Wendy sleep? Sorry, the second floor is already taken. No, Wendy, don't even think about it. Why don't you move, Polly? Wendy, there's not enough room. Is that what sisters do? There's only one way out. Build yourself a separate bed. Great, there are building materials in the room. Let's put it right here. Saw it off, paint it. That'll be good. You can find anything you want in the dorm, even construction tools. Let's start creating. The main thing is not to get the dimension wrong. Measure and then cut. Wendy, what are you up to? Are you sick? Oh no, girls, there's going to be a third bed here soon. You can't ditch your sister. Holly, we have to help her. Follow me. Guys, got it. Let's go. Keep up. We'll put the bed against the wall, right here. Yup, here's another detail. You are good to go, sister. Yay. Whatever you say, Maeve. The second part of the bed is also in place. All that's left is to put this puzzle together. I'll take it from here, girls. Holly is the master of the screwdriver. But there's one more thing left to do. Putting the 3 beds together. Ties will do the job. Simple and secure. And there should be beams on top. Reliability above all. It's done, girls. Where's the mattress? Already there, Maeve. That's better. Everyone has their own bed now. And no arguments. But wooden furniture is too boring. The new bed needs to be painted. Warm yellow is a great choice. And if you work as a team, things will go much faster. Girls, we made it! Thank you for your help. You are the best. And now it's time for a fluffy blanket. Maeve wants it to be dark. And the first bunk is gonna be pink. It's going to be so cozy here. And Wendy has another plan. She always has her favorite superheroes with her. Okay, something's missing. Yeah, a pink headboard. Decorate the crown with pieces of golden foam. It turned out so royal. And this wall draped with tulle. So pretty. Where are your favorite toys? Come to Mommy. Do you like it here?
Yay.
And Maeve wants her room to be edgy. Soon the second floor will be unrecognizable. Cut out the red flame and glue it to the wall. And I think we'll add a little gold. Much better. Oh, now that is fire. And what about adding metal? This nice chain is finally coming in handy. And Wendy will have a scientific bed. She loves studying. Albert, make yourself at home. And formula stickers will make her room look even better. Long live the A's. Let everyone know that an A student lives here. More pink stuff. The paintings belong here. But there doesn't seem to be enough light. Polly knows what to do. Just attach the garland directly to the shelf and turn on the lights. That's like magic. And disguise the grid on the shelf with tulle. But that's not all. This dark basement ruins everything. No, that won't work. I have an idea. And Pink comes to the rescue again. Attach a curtain to the edge of the bed, and it's done. And Maeve is still working. Cute spiders settle on the second floor. More cobwebs, spiders, red eyes. So creepy. And of course, her favorite posters. There's always room for them. And these garlands will add special vibes to the second floor. It's not spooky at all. Yay! We did it! Oh, a pillow. It was the only thing missing. And Wendy had a great idea. This ball is about to become a mini planet. It just needs a little paint. It looks amazing. And now we attach the planet to the ceiling. But she's not done. She needs a lot more planet. But that doesn't scare Wendy. She already has a whole galaxy. She's ready to make discoveries. The construction is over, and it got kind of boring. What should we do? Girls, let's have a chill zone. Let's decorate the place and hang out. Hey, that's an idea. Girls, get it together. Let's work. Let's start with the ceiling. Make it yellow. A couple of seconds, and it became so beautiful under the bed. Girls, don't go anywhere. I'll be right there. And Polly and Wendy still have plenty to do. We'll cover the walls with a light cloth, too. Wendy, help me. And Maeve will take care of those old tires for now. And it needs to be painted first. Why not go for bright orange? Girls, look what I have. Do you like it? Maeve, what is this? Don't you get it? This is our chair. Oh, my gosh. Don't laugh. I need to think. Okay, this chair needs some work. Right, we need to make soft upholstery. It's easy. A layer of fabric, then foam rubber, and then plywood on top. Wrap the seat in fabric and fasten it with a staple gun. Oh, that's it. What do you girls say to that? And Polly will have a bouncy chair. Very creative. Go for it, sister. Oh, that's a tough one. But Polly can do it. And instead of a seat, you can use soft cushions. Girls, look! What do you think? And Wendy is missing furniture, but she has it all figured out. Why invent something new when you have a beanbag chair? Yeah! You're the smartest! Girls, it's too dark in here. Let's give this place a makeover. I'd love to, sis. Girls, we need triangles and bigger ones. Get the scissors and get to work. The pieces are ready. What's next? And now we can tape them together.
Yeah.
That's it. The bright garland is looking good. Everybody be quiet! The triplets are busy. They are doing their homework. Girls, here we go. Don't be lazy. Ugh, school. I hate it. Girls, stay focused. Knowledge is power. It's not. Did you see that, Wendy? I won't learn. Don't even ask me to. Maeve, come on. You'll do fine. Wait, this urn would make a real table. And we'll be comfortable studying.
Wow.
You were right, Wendy. And let's add the garlands.
Yeah.
I'll take it from here. Wrap the table leg with garlands. And there will be a tabletop. Maeve will make one now. Cut a circle out of wrapping paper. And then attach the piece. No glue, just regular hairspray. Girls, I'm all set. Here comes the moment of truth. We put the parts together and get a table. Now let's study. Now it feels so good to learn. What should I do if I have to explain a complicated formula? Girls, write it down. Divide here, multiply there. Psst, Polly, what is she doing? I don't know. Maybe she's learning. And there's no stopping Wendy now. Formulas are so interesting. Hey, sis, I can't see anything. Can't see, you say? It's a fluorescent marker. We just light it up, that's all. Wow. Wow! What science can do. Keep learning. But books are so tiring. Time for a break. Hey, what are you doing? We're just getting started. Stay awake, girls. All right, you asked for it. Time for a fun prank. And Maeve will need a fluorescent marker. Sweet dreams, Wendy. And interesting dreams to you, Polly. And now the magic of light. And, of course, a picture. The sisters will love it. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to wake you up. You girls are going to love it. Look, Polly. That's really funny. But Wendy doesn't understand their joke. This is a marker for studying, not for fun. Maeve is a lost cause. What should we do in our free time? Watch our favorite shows, obviously. Wendy, move over. I want to watch. It's a movie night just for two. No third wheels needed here. Girls, that's not fair. I want to watch too. Maeve, where are you going? Wow, that's a great idea. I tried, Polly. Give me a hand. And the three-story bed turns into a real movie theater. All you have to do is put the TV on the nightstand. Maeve, we have old CDs. What do we need them for? What do you mean? To decorate the wall, of course. Great idea, Polly. We'll make it work. The movie zone came out great. And Wendy already got snacks. This makes the show even more interesting. Let's share our chips and take our seats in the theater. This is awesome. It's a new episode. But we have to postpone the movie. Study time. Time is running out. That's right, Wendy. What would we do without you? And we'll be back here again later. In our favorite bunk bed.